Hello, NBA fans. This is Bear with B-Ball 1 News, the news ESPN doesn't want you to know about. Today in the news, Kobe Bryant confirmed to reporters after Thursday's game against the Oklahoma City Thunder that he is indeed blinded by black bushy man-beards. He experienced the blindness after playing the Thunder and James Harden, who has a massive black bushy man-beard. He talked to David Stern, the commissioner, petitioning that black bushy man-beards be outlawed from the game. David Stern said this: Bryant is a great player, but we have to treat Bryant like every other player. All players have setbacks. Bryant's just happens to be black bushy man-beards. Kobe Bryant has been able to hide this for so many years because in high school, nobody could grow a black bushy man-beard. And if they could grow a beard, it wasn't black and bushy. But now that he's in the NBA, people can grow facial hair. Therefore, he's worried that more players will take advantage of this disability he has by growing black, bushy man-beards. His teammates are worried and are going to start growing beards of their own to counteract the beards that are causing blindness by the opposite teams. We're hoping that Kobe Bryant can get past this. He was indeed able to score 24 points in the game against the Thunder, even though he did it blind. This has been Bear with B-Ball 1 News.